Children, today we are doing GIMP. This is basically photo editing software, and these are the tools which is available for photo editing, and these are the tool options, and this is a tool property. Now first we see how can you change the preferences. Theme. When you install GIMP on your laptops, on your systems, you get the darker one, but I have selected this one to make it light and click on OK. You can also change the icon color by clicking on icon theme and click on color and press on OK. Now first we are creating a new canvas. Width of the canvas is 920 pixels and height of the canvas is this. We can resize the height and width of the canvas, but I am selecting the default one. Now you can see this is the background color. By clicking on this button, by clicking on this color, you can change the background color. Now by this way, children, you can select the color and press on OK. And by clicking on it, you can change the foreground color and click on OK. Now how will you apply it? Edit. If you click on fill with FG color means foreground color, then this color will be applied, and if you will click on this button fill with background color, then this color will be applied. And if I want to apply gradient, then I can select one of the pattern from here and move your mouse like this. Now children, I am opening some pictures, like I am selecting this one. You can see your canvas and as well as your pictures. Now I am selecting first option, ellipse select tool. If you want to select your picture in this shape, then you will select this option and press Ctrl C. And if you want to make a collage, or if you want to paste the selected part of your picture any other canvas, then select your canvas and press Ctrl V. Now if you want to delete it, then every change make it separate layer. This is the separate layer of this change. Right mouse click and I will press on delete layer, and I can press Ctrl V on the same picture also. Now you can see the selected part has copied. Now I am deleting this one. Next option is lasso tool. By the same way, children, you can use this option also. This is a rectangle select tool. Now this is a different type of tool, lasso tool. It means free selection tool. You can select the particular picture, you can cut the particular part of your picture, but you can't leave the mouse in between. You can leave your mouse at the end where you want to finish the selection. Now click enter. Now Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You can see. Now you can also use flip button by using this option. First you will have to click on this option and then click on this option, then it will be flip. And to remove the selection, we can simply click on the picture and selection will be removed. Now I am selecting this option. This is rectangle selection tool. Now I have selected this one, and now I am selecting my picture. Now press Ctrl C, and if you want to paste it on other canvas, then you can press Ctrl V here, or on the same picture we can do Ctrl V. Now you can see. By this way children, you can use these three options for selection in GIMP. Thank you.